Daily Microfoliant is used after your double cleanse. It's a great product to use first thing in the morning because you get an instant resurfacing and brightening for the skin. This product is the ideal prep for your serums, your moisturizers, and your makeup to give you the perfect canvas. So you pour about a half a teaspoon into the palm of your hand and then mix it with lots of water to form a creamy paste consistency. Massage it all over the skin, making sure that you cover the neck and the chest area and all around the hairline where you may have hair products. And then you rinse off thoroughly with water. The product is a rice-bran based microfoliant, which means that it gives the skin a very gentle polish. Then when you add water, the phytic acid breaks out of the rice-bran and gives you that smoothing, resurfacing effect. So ideal for everyone, but actually particularly good for people that suffer with oily skins and congestion because it has salicylic acid in to help fight those breakouts. My favourite thing about this product is the instant results and the fact that it's so gentle that you can use it on a daily basis.